Assalamu alaikum students. Hope you are all safe and sound at your home. I am your math teacher Misbah Kawal. Welcome in your math class. Students, today our topic is division. So let's start. Learn about division. Student, do you know what is a division? Students, division as a repeated subtraction. Let's explain with example. Students, you can see a boy has some balloons. Her name is Jojo and he has total 8 balloons. Now Jojo divide them into groups of 2. So firstly he ties 2 balloons from 8. Now he has left 6 balloons in his hand. Now students, we can write 8 minus 2 equal to 6. Now again he ties 2 more balloons from 6. In this time he has left 4 balloons in his hand. So we can say 6 minus 2 equal to 4. Now students, Jojo one more time ties 2 balloons from 4. In this time Jojo has left 2 balloons in his hand. Now we write 4 minus 2 equal to 2. Now Jojo lastly ties 2 balloons from 2. Now he has left 0 balloon in his hand. So we can say 2 minus 2 equal to 0. Here students, you can see Jojo tied 8 balloons into equal groups of 2 and he got 4 groups. And you can also see he tied the same number repeat. He showed the repeated subtraction. So students, we can say process of dividing the objects into the equal groups is called repeated subtraction. And you know process of repeated subtraction is called division. We can write as 8 divided by 2 equal to 4. And students, you remember it, this sign is used to show for division. And also look at the solved example on division. Let us learn term of division. The number that divides is called divisor, and in this example here 2 is called divisor. Next, the number to be divided is called dividend. And you can see here the number 8 is called dividend. Next, the number we get on dividing the numbers is called quotient. And you can see here the number 4 is called quotient. Next, we learn the number that remains after dividing is called remainder. And here the number 0 is remainder. Now let's do some examples of division. Here you can see students 528, the number is dividend and the number 2 is divisor. Now start division process. Firstly, we're starting by asking how many 2 does take to make 5 or almost 5. It's mean how many 2's fit into 5. So read out the table of 2 and you can easy to see 2 2's are 4. Now 5 minus 4 you will get 1. Here you can see 1 is smaller than 2, so we next number 2 bring down and it's make the number 12. Then we ask how many 2 does take to make 12. So it's easy students, you know 2 6 are 12. Now 12 minus 12 you will get 0. Now next last number 8 you bring down. Now we get the number 8. So we check how many 2 does to make 8. So you can easily check students. 2 4's are 8. Now 8 minus 8 you will get 0. Here the students your remainder is 0. It's mean your division is complete and you will get the answer 264. Now we look another example. Here you can see students, in this example your divisor is two digits number like 24 and 528 is your dividend. Now start the division. In this question we take two digits from dividend on left side because your divisor has two digits like 24, and you can see 52 is greater than to 24. So we estimate how many times 24 does take to make almost 52. So you can see student, 24 2s are 48. Now 52 minus 48, you will get 4. Now next number 8 you bring down and it's make the number 48. Now again 24 multiply 2, you will get 48. Now 48 minus 48, you will get 0 and you will get the answer 22. Okay students, now we look the next example. You can see student, your divisor is two digits number like 51 and your dividend is four digit number like 3988. Students, in this example we take three numbers from dividend like 398 because 398 is greater than 51. Students, you know, we have not take the first two numbers like 39 because 39 is smaller than the 51, and in this case division is not possible. So we take the three values like 398. Now look here on left side, write the table of 51, and students you can see 51 sevens are 357. 357 is smaller than 398, so we take the value. Now 398 minus 357, you will get 41. Now 41 is smaller than 51, so we bring down the next number 8. Now it's make the number 418. Now read out the table of 51. You will get 51 8s are 408. Now 418 minus 408, you will get 10. Students, you can see 51 does not go into 10 and there are no other digits to drop down. So there is remainder of 10. Okay students, now let's we learn about Dewey words problem. Ria had 56 cookies. She gave 4 cookies to each friend. How many friends got the cookies? In this question tell us, रिया के पास टोटल 56 कुकीज़ हैं जिनमें से वो 4 कुकीज़ अपने हर फ्रेंड्स को देती है एंड वी फाइंड टोटल नंबर ऑफ द फ्रेंड्स हु गॉट द कुकीज़. So you simply divide 56 divided 4. Now let's do division process. Here 4 is your divisor and 56 is your dividend. Now we take the first digit from dividend like 5 because you can see 5 is greater than to 4. Now read out the table of 4 and check how many times 4 does to take make almost 5. So you will get 4 ones are 4. Now 5 minus 4, you will get 1. Now next number 6 you bring down and it's make the value 16, and you know 16 is greater than 4. Now read out the table of 4 and check how many times 4 to make 16. So you will get 4 4s are 16. Now 16 minus 16 equal to 0 and your division is complete. And you can see your answer we get 14 friends who got cookies. I hope students you understand the division concept. So do practice at your home and take yourself. Allah Hafiz.